Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So I'm back again with a weekly analysis. Today, as you can see, we are already on the Bank Nifty chart. So let's get started with our analysis and understand what is the market trying to tell us for the coming week. Okay, so as you can see, last time we have seen that this candle, if it closes above this red candle, then this month it will give us a very good positive sign so that the market can continue to go up and go up till where? That will be till 26634, because that is our next resistance. Okay, so we have got our tool now. So here you can see if this closes above this, then there is a good bullish sign and the market can rally up till here. Okay, so this is our next level of resistance. So that is our monthly chart story. So let's go to a weekly chart now and understand what is the story there. On a weekly chart, last week we have seen this engulfing, then a positive green candle. Now there is a 50% candle which has formed. If you can see, this is a 50% candle, which, see, always after a rally, this is a base, there can be a drop or there can be a rally. So this, we have to wait and see. If a green candle forms from here and it touches this, then this becomes as a rally based rally formation. So in the market you will only find these kind of candles. This full candles are called as leg candles, whether it is red color or a green color, and the candles which are like 50% of the body are called as base candles, any color, red color or a green color. So wherever there is a base formation, then you can expect there will be a further big movement after that. So that is a story on a weekly time frame. Let's go to our daily time frame now. So daily time frame, the market is pretty choppy. So one green candle, this was a setup, and then one green candle, then after that one red candle completely taking over the green candle, and now there is a 50% retracement to this. I expect that after this kind of a fall, usually market retraces 50% and then falls. So I am expecting a fall tomorrow on Monday. Maybe it can open up here and then it can raise. This can be a situation, or it can start dropping from here to here. Okay, so you can see this all zone is, this is a complete zone. There is a lot of support, so it's not going to break that easily. And this moving average is also rising and the super trend is also up. So we have got couple of conditions met, and the volume is also like stable, it's not that spiking up. So let's go to our 15-minute time frame and see what is the story there. On a 15-minute time frame, you can see the market is in consolidation phase. So it is consolidating on our 200 period moving average, and the market looks bullish. In an uptrend, if it is consolidating and taking support at 200, then you can expect it to go up. So this is a different view which you are getting on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, I would still so we can expect, if the market doesn't go up or down, we can expect the market to stay in this zone for a day and then either break down or break up. So we should be in a position to make money in any kind of a direction, whether it breaks down or goes up. So I have a butterfly position which is on the downward side at the moment, because I feel that market will drop a little bit till the VWAP levels and then go up. So I'm hoping that the market gaps down. So let's see what is going to happen, and let's also analyze Nifty. Yes, we have found this. So what is the story on Nifty on a monthly time frame? So Nifty is pretty bullish. As you can see, it has taken support and there's a green candle which closed above this. So this is very super bullish. you can definitely go long in Nifty for a long duration because that's a monthly chart. And now here you can expect a small drop till here to take support. So that is on a daily time frame. Oh, we haven't checked weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, it is still a little bearish at the moment. We can expect a fall. So Nifty overall, we can expect a little fall, putting the support, and after that, it can go up on a monthly time frame. So hold on to that. Let's go and analyze stocks which can be potentially added into our portfolio for the coming week. So we use weekly super trend. So weekly close crossed above weekly super trend 14 and 2. So we don't have anything right now, which is surprising. Let's see latest. So we have found one stock which is Voltas. So Voltas is showing a very good strength on a monthly time frame. See this setup. See, even if you just follow this setup, what I have been telling in my videos, so you would have made a lot of money on this. On a monthly time frame, if you get this kind of a setup and the candle closing above this, is a super catch for you to make money. And now if you see on a daily time frame, so this is breaking the super trend, but don't buy the entire quantity here because it's also forming a double top. So maybe you can enter like 25% of your quantity here, and if it falls a little bit and takes support on this, then you buy your another 25% here and wait. If it holds and starts going up, then you add another 25%, and if it goes above this, then you add another 25%. So that will become your 100% quantity. So this is how you have to buy. Okay, so I think Voltas is the only share, but if you want to search for some more shares, we can definitely do. Let's go to our scanners and let's find out if we have let's do one thing. I will take you to let's go and search and just scan the stocks what we have right now with us. So let's look at PVR structure. PVR on a daily time frame is breaking super trend, so it is not a good buy. Apollo is super bullish, so you should wait for it to actually come into this zone, and if you find a green candle taking out the candle here, then you can go long in this. So this you can go long. Then let's see Indigo. Indigo is also bullish, but you have to wait for this candle to close above this. I would like to check Indigo's so Indigo is also fine for you. Let's check Divis Lab. Divis Lab is going like a rocket on a monthly time frame. Look at that move. Look at that move, guys. And this is the pattern which has formed. So it was a great catch if we had taken it on a timely fashion, but somehow we have missed it. But now it is consolidating. You can see it is in complete consolidation, so don't go and buy this. It might break down and come down to this level, so we have to wait for this. So it's a no at the moment because already rally has happened. Let's check Grassam. Grassam is also going up like a rocket. You can see. So this is at a critical level now. And this has given a good indication. You can actually go long in Grassam. Then let's check Tata Motors. Tata Motors is not giving any indication, so let's leave that. Tech Mahindra has given a breakdown. Dabur is on a sideways consolidation phase now. It's going to come down. It's going to definitely come down. You can go for a short. And Voltas we have already seen, that also satisfied our scanner. So these are the stocks which you can go long. And what are the positions we are holding this week? Let me show you. If I have So let's see and make a butterfly strategy so that you can understand how can we play around with butterfly, because we are expecting the market to come down. So what are we going to do? We are going to create a butterfly which can be a 500 point spread. So I'll teach you how to do that. First, go to the NSE chain, select this at the money strike 23,500, 23,500, call. You buy one lot, and then 24,000 you add 500 to 23,500 and sell this 2 lots, and another 500 addition will give you 24,500 call. You sell this 1 lot. Okay, isn't it simple? So this is our butterfly we have made if the market moves up. Okay, so if you are expecting the market to move up a little bit, you create this position. Your risk is about 2,000, your reward is about 10,000. So 1:5. 1:5 is the trade. Even if you lose 5 times, one trade will cover everything for you. So this is how you have to trade. I hope this video helped you to understand and analyze the market, and please do keep watching my videos so that you can update yourself every week and learn something new. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.